Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 2 videos a week on a Tuesday and a Thursday at 7 AM. So if you love a recipe video like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my delicious tuna and olive buckwheat pizza pancakes. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious tuna and olive buckwheat pizza pancakes. Now this recipe is really easy to prepare and cook, and I thought it would make a brilliant dish for Pancake Day. Pancake Day is nearly upon us and we seem to love it in the UK. I think it's definitely a UK tradition. I don't think they celebrate this one anywhere else in the world. So many years ago, when we would run out of food at this time of year, people would go to church and the vicars and priests would tell people to eat up all of their leftovers in their pantries and then fast until Easter. So basically from February to April there wasn't much food. Food was scarce. So instead of making people panic, they would tell people to fast. This is what my mum believes anyway. I'm not sure how true that is, but yes, so it's a tradition that's carried on. I don't know how and I don't know why. Many people in the UK don't go to church anymore, so it baffles me as to how this has carried on. But anyway, we seem to love it, and we seem to always have sweet pancakes, especially in this house after our dinner. So I thought I'd make a change this year and have some savoury ones. So I thought I'd share with you how to make these delicious tuna and olive buckwheat pizza pancakes. Firstly, I'm going to preheat my grill to maximum. Now I'm going to grab a pancake, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the toppings on like you would a pizza. So I have some pesto that I made earlier. So this is homemade pesto, and I will put my homemade pesto recipe in the description box below for you. And I'm just going to spread this all over the base of this pizza. And then I'm going to add a big dollop, or probably about a tablespoon, of tomato puree as well. So I'm just going to spread that over as well. We're just going to mix it in with the pesto. And the tomato and the paste puree and the pesto will form the base of the pizza. So this is delicious, I promise you. And then I'm going to add some tuna to that. I'm just going to get a spoon to get the tuna out with, or a fork actually. So I'm going to grab the tuna and I'm going to put this onto the base. Now you can use any toppings you want. Normally we have cheese and Parma ham, so we'll have mozzarella and Parma ham on our pizzas. But you could choose any sort of pizza topping you liked. It doesn't have to be tuna and olive. I'm sure you have lots of combinations at home, but this just makes a nice change for us basically. So I put about half the tin of tuna onto that, and then I'm going to put some mozzarella over the top of the pizza like so. I'm going to cut that one in half because that's a bit big, and then I'm going to put some olives on this as well. So I'm going to put just spots of olives all over it. And then I'm going to put this under the grill, probably for about 5 minutes, or until the mozzarella starts to melt. The mozzarella has started to melt and it's started to go slightly golden brown, and around the edge of the pancake has started to go a bit crispy as well. So I'm going to take this out and serve it with some salad, and that is my lunch done, and I'm really looking forward to it. It smells so good. That's how you make my delicious tuna and olive buckwheat pizza pancakes, and that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. I'll also link the pancake recipe that I did on Tuesday in the description box below, and the pesto recipe too. But for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.